Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you top tricks for your PartyBox JBL 320. Firstly, I recommend to install the application because it really helped to us. And now let's start. You can change a light. You have a few different modes. You can also change the color of these mods or how these mods should look like this. Next one, you have a lot of voice effects, so you can play different here. Like you have a lot of options here, so I guess it would be cool for your party. Next one, you have three buttons here, and it play different voice prompts like let's party, and you can customize it. Right here you have few options like hey, and let's test it. See, and you can customize all three buttons. Next one, you have bass boost here. You can activate it by pressing the button on your PartyBox or in the application. You can enable it here, and you have two mods. If you want to know what is the mods, you can also watch our another video about bass boost. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!